Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In today's video, we will demonstrate the process of overlaying an image onto a larger background image using PDF.co and Make. For a detailed tutorial, you can find the link in the description box below. Feel free to explore PDF.co for additional information and resources. We will use a sample image document as the base for incorporating the overlay image at a specific position. This will serve as our starting point for the demonstration. So without any further delay, let's get started. Begin by logging into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button to initiate the process. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. You can also choose other cloud storage services to obtain the source file. And select the Download a File option. This will enable you to download the desired file directly from your Google Drive storage. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. Start with connecting your Google Drive account to Make in order to grant Make access to your Google Drive storage. And choose the Select from the List option to view all available folders in Google Drive. Next, select My Drive as the designated drive to be used. Then locate the desired folder and specify the file name within Google Drive where the source file is stored. Once you have done setting up the Google Drive configuration, you can proceed with running the scenario to retrieve the file from your Google Drive storage. The scenario executed successfully and retrieved the file from Google Drive storage. Now let's move forward and add another application along with incorporating an overlay image from the retrieved file. In this step, we will incorporate the PDF.co app into the process. And select the Add Text and Images to a PDF option, which will allow us to easily include overlay images on a large background image. Let's proceed with configuring the PDF.co settings. Begin by connecting your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can retrieve the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. And choose the Upload a File option to automatically input the downloaded file from Google Drive. In the Images Parameters section, provide the desired X and Y coordinates where you wish to add the overlay image. You can utilize the PDF.co Edit Add Helper tool to easily obtain the X and Y coordinates of the document. Enter the direct URL of the image file you want to overlay onto the background image. Specify the list of pages on which you would like to add the overlay image. Then define the width and height dimensions of the overlay image. Once you have completed the PDF.co configuration, proceed to execute the scenario to add the overlay image from the background image. We successfully executed the scenario. An overlay image has been added from the background image. To view the output, please copy the provided URL and paste it into your web browser. As the output file is currently in PDF format, we need to add an additional module to transform it into an image. In this step, we will add an additional module and select the PDF.co app. Choose the Convert from PDF to Images option to generate output files in formats like JPG or PNG. Let's configure the PDF.co settings. Begin by selecting the Upload a File option to automatically load the file from the PDF.co Add Text and Images result. Next, choose the desired output format for the conversion, such as JPG or PNG. Once the PDF.co configuration is set up, run the scenario for converting PDF to image. We have successfully generated an image output for the overlaying image added to the background image. Copy the resulting URL and paste it into your browser to view the output and download the file. Here is the output of an overlaying image added to the background image in JPG format. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.